Ready to go paperless? With the Cornerstone Bank mobile app, you can set, change, and manage your document delivery preferences in a few simple steps. Log into the app and click your profile in the upper right corner of the home screen. From the Banking Services menu, select eDocuments. The next screen offers helpful information about the document delivery enrollment process. Review the information and click here to read the electronic agreement statement. At the end of the statement, you will find a PDF acknowledgement code. Return to eDocuments in your Cornerstone app and enter the code in the field provided. You are now able to update your document delivery preferences. Select a preference for each of your Cornerstone Bank accounts and for your personal documents, or click All Electronic to apply one preference across all document types. Once you've made your selections, click Accept and Update Preferences to complete the process. After you've enrolled, navigate back to this page to view your eDocuments.